Today is a new car day. Let's take the daily to get the new daily. I see it. Oh, baby. Introducing my new 1994 Honda Civic. I mean, why not? I'm here.
Well, it's a lot of work.
It's not that much work. All right, boys, it's official. Title is signed over. Let's get a cold start. The e-brake works. This is honestly so sick. Like, I know it's like a Honda, but this is so sick. We're gonna beat the crap out of this. I've never had wipers in here. How does it turn off? Oh, the stock's broken, so you hit a bump?
Oh, and they turn on?
You hit a bump, it turns on. Oh, it's got some nice burbles.
Nasty.
There's no RPM gauge. It's just mile an hour. I didn't know that.
How does that in a manual not have that?
Let's see what she's got. Yeah! This thing is so slow. It's so slow. Oh my goodness. I'm pinned right now. You know what? First mod we're doing for this, I don't even care if we don't put an exhaust on because we're not keeping this engine. We're on bolting the exhaust. We're gonna have an open header screaming Honda. NA Honda screaming. Sounds so good. Sounds so bad, but it's so funny. All right, let's see. Let's. Got a little bit of tire smoke there. This thing eats from a dig. And here we are, my first morning with the new Civic. This is kind of a sick lineup here. We have the new EG hatch, we have the Tankaroo, the 720, and my crazy EG hatch. But I think it's about time here to show you guys how to drive a Honda. Now, normally you'd be hearing the exhaust out of the tailpipe. Also, another thing to note, that is probably one of the smallest exhaust tips I have ever seen in my entire life. We're not getting any sound in the rear, but instead, we're getting it all up in the engine bay. The wipers started going. Now, they say these D-Series are indestructible, and we're gonna put that to the test. We're gonna have some fun with this car, do some hooning, because I don't care if this engine or transmission goes because it's getting a K-Series. So we can have as much fun as we want with really no harm done. Now, if this video gets 5,000 likes, we're gonna put nitrous on this. Stock engine, stock everything, maybe rip off the headers and give it like a 200 shot of nitrous and see how long it lives. Oh no, I already broke something. Just as soon as I said this car is indestructible, I got a check engine light. All right, we got an on-ramp coming up here. Let's see how quick this baby accelerates. We're pinned. It's so slow. You tune this? Well, how do I need to put on a Haltech first?
No, I can tune it. We just put it. I have an extra ECU you can borrow to tune it. Just
really,
because I know you're gonna it's gonna be temporary. So.
Yeah.
Get a header on there and that, and put some nitrous on it. And we'll have.
It'll make 220, 230 horsepower pretty reliably. North of that, the rods are gonna fall out.
You think I can make 200?
Oh yeah.
This one would be so fun with 200.
The head gasket might become a problem. just because age. And
Is this, I could
shit.
torque it down though without having to untime it though, right?
If you don't lift the head first, you should be able to just plop studs right into it.
So what I might do is just make sure it's good right now and then we turn it up. All right, here we go. We're swapping ECUs now. Chris, the strayed boys here. We're gonna put some two-step on this. See how it sounds. This is pretty nuts. We're not what I had planned whatsoever. Imagine I had like the owner's manual still. Oh, is it?
1994 owner's manual.
That's sick. A roadmap disaster. Okay. You know, an old head owned this car. There's still a United States map in this. I remember as a kid when we would go on road trips that we had to use a map like this. Just floor? I don't need to put clutch in or anything?
Nope, just floor.
What the heck is that? Is that what it's supposed to sound like? It's getting better, honestly. I don't know. That's way longer now.
Yeah, well,
You raised the limiter 1,000 RPM?
yeah, it's at 7,200 now. I don't know what the stock P05 one is. I can't remember, but it's definitely lower than 7,200.
That
which
felt
is
way longer. Let's see what first gear does. No way! 42 in first gear. That's insane. No way! No way!
second gear. Then 81 in second gear.
80 miles an hour in second gear is absurd. All right, it's time we give this like 900 horsepower STI the gap. He's so much faster. Now, if you listen close enough, you can hear the burble tune. I just tuned it.
Really?
Yeah. It's got two-step.
I heard that.
This thing is actually kind of nice.
It's a really nice car. Look at the interior.
It's grandma special, bro.
It's absurd.
Dude, this guy's trying to race. Hold up. What is that thing? It's another
Honda.
No, it's a little Volkswagen.
Oh.
Hey, get back here, bud. We're gonna run out of space now.
I know. Handbrake. That
Anybody,
slid pretty good.
anybody else see that?
But here we have it, my new daily, at least for the next week or so. Now, a lot of you guys might be questioning, why did I pick up another Honda? I have damn near the same car, except in a complete, I mean, really nothing about my other Honda is like this Honda besides just the bare chassis itself. But the truth is, this will not be a daily in about a week or so. I have everything ordered. I have the Haltech ordered. I have the engine swap ordered, all of the parts, the turbo, everything to get this car swapped. It will be a front wheel drive. My other Honda is just a full race car, all wheel drive. And we're going back to the roots of what my other Honda was, a much friendlier street version car, a car that we could just beat on and enjoy. So all of those parts will be here within the week. We're doing a very fast turnaround build on here. But in the meantime, while we have the stock engine and transmission that I frankly could not care less about, it's not worth anything, we're gonna have some fun with this. If this video gets 5,000 likes, we're putting nitrous on this. We're gonna have some fun and just hoon around a little bit. Now, this isn't my new crazy build that I'm waiting on. Now, this is just a fun build, a build we can do in the meantime. It's not gonna take us super long. There is a car I am actively looking for, wrecked, and I'm just waiting for one to pop up. The second I see it, that car is getting purchased and that build series will start. That'll be a longer build series. This one is just a little bit of fun in the meantime. But I hope you guys are excited for this little intermittent build that we are gonna be doing. It's a lot more relatable to a lot of you guys watching this video. And we're gonna be building a car that is going to be an absolute ripper and a blast on the street still, without taking it to the next level like my other Honda.